There's your block. Gonna give it a hug? He likes his block. He likes to give it a hug and play with it. This is little Brian. Yeah. What you got? Trying to bring that to your mouth, huh, sweetie? Doing a good job. Holding on to it. Now it's down by your feet. Oh, you're gonna lose it, sweetie. It's gonna fall off your feet. Oh, there it goes. Ta-da! Good job, Brian.